Hi viewers, welcome to Gani's YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I am going to explain you how to create shear studs in Tekla Structures, just like this. Okay, let's start. Open your Tekla Structures with US environment. Now we're going to create beam. So click on steel and select this beam and pick the first point and pick the second point to create the beam, just like this. Okay, right click on mouse, interrupt. Now we're going to create views. So click on grid, right click on mouse, create views along grid lines. Click on create and click on OK and OK. Okay, now we're going to create studs. So go to the application and components by using the shortcut Control F, or you can click on here. In search bar, type 1010. You'll get this component, shear stud 1010 number 1010 component. Select this component and pick the part, beam, and pick the position where you want. Currently I'm going to pick at middle of this beam. Right click on mouse, interrupt and close this window and zoom it. Click on space, right click on mouse, review. Okay, by default we have studs like this. Now I'm going to edit these studs as we required. So right click on mouse, interrupt, click on space, right click on mouse, review, and double click on this stud to edit the studs. You can see. Now we're going to increase the length of this stud. So for example, let's take 5 inch, then click on modify to see the result. You can see now the length of this stud should be 5 inch. You can measure this distance also. For example, we're going to take elevation view along grid 2. So click on window and select this view list and select this elevation on grid 2 and click on this arrow and close this window. Zoom it, click on edit and select this measure and select this vertical distance and pick the first position at here and pick the second position end point of the stud and pick the side to create the dimension. You can see now here the 5 inch according to this option. If you want to increase, you can increase from here. For example, we're going to select this stud and for example we're going to take here 6 inch and select this stud. Click on modify. You can see now the stud length should be 6 inches. You can measure, click on edit and select here and select vertical distance and pick the first point and second point and pick the side to create the dimension. You can see 6 inches. Right click on mouse, interrupt. To remove this checking dimensions, click on space, right click on mouse, redraw view. You can see now the checking dimensions are gone. Now click on window and select this 3D view and zoom it and go to the bolts tab. Now we're going to edit the bolts, number of bolts and size. So better to take the top view. So click on this window and select this view list and select plan at elevation 0 and click on this arrow and close it. Now we are in top view. These are the studs. So select this component. Now we're going to change the size of this stud. So under bolt size, click on here. Let's take 5/8 size. Then click on modify to see the result. You can see now this stud size should be 5/8 inch. You can measure this distance also. For example, go to measure and select this horizontal distance, or let's take vertical distance, and you need to activate this option, snap to geometry lines or points, and zoom it and pick the first point at here and pick the second point and click on here to place the dimension. You can see now we have the 9/16 is nothing but nearly 5/8 inch bolt size, stud size. Okay, right click on mouse, interrupt, click on space, right click on mouse, redraw. Okay, now I'm going to change the number of studs. So click on here. You can see in this side. Now we're going to change the number of studs to, well, let's take 3 and the spacing we're going to take 2 inch, then click on modify to see the result. You can see now here the number of studs in this direction: 1, 2, 3. Okay, for example, we're going to take 2 and the spacing 4 inch, then click on modify. You'll get like this. Okay, let's take 3 inch, then click on modify. Okay, now I want to measure the distance, so go to edit and select the measure and horizontal distance and pick the first point and pick the second point and place it. You can see now we have 3 inch according to this option. Similarly, you can change in the horizontal direction also. For example, we're going to take right click on center and select the stud, and now we're going to take horizontally number of bolts 8 studs, and the spacing we're going to take 4 inch, then click on modify to see the result. You can see now we have the number of studs. You can see now we have the number of studs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in the horizontal direction, and the spacing should be 4 inch in between the 2 studs. Go to measure and select the vertical distance and pick the first point and pick the second point and place it. You can see now here the spacing between the 2 should be 4 inch. Okay, then click on modify, apply. Okay, click on window and select this 3D view. Right click on mouse interrupt, click on space, right click on mouse reroll. You can see you'll get like this. Okay, that's it about how to create shear studs in Tekla Structures. If you like this video, please like it and share it. If you have any doubts, please comment below. For more Tekla Structure related videos, please go to my channel youtube.com/ganisk. I will provide this link in the description below of this video. Please go through it and come here. Under videos, you can find out so many Tekla Structure related videos. I hope these videos might be helpful to you. And at the top right corner, please click on subscribe button. If you subscribe, you will get notification or updates when uploading new video. So please click on subscribe. Okay, thank you.